Good day and welcome to Trivial Tuesday and a Toast. For the toast today, we are going to have some of the Melba variety, continuing the toast joke from last week. And the toast is, always remember to forget the things that made you sad, but never forget to remember the things that made you glad. Cheers. I am aware of how annoying that is, and I have no intention of starting an ASMR channel. For blue, what city in Canada's maritime provinces has the airport code YHZ shown on baggage tags? For pink, what wildcat helps advertise Mercury cars? For yellow, what kind of machine's logical and mathematical functions are carried out by a CPU, or Central Processing Unit? For brown, which of Santa's reindeer was named for a kind of celestial body? For green, what's an Australian kookaburra? A bird, a fish, or a mammal? And for orange, who's designated as Chief Scout in Canada? We'll find out tonight. Cheers.